Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go viral on TikTok every single time you post. It's guaranteed, especially after the new algorithm update. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Just set hook in the first 2 seconds. Your video must grab attention within the first 2 seconds. That's what the new algorithm takes first. What's time? Just start your video with movement or maybe text or questions that makes people stay. For example, you can use visual hooks like this, or even sound hooks or text hooks. Just choose the styles that you like that match your needs and vibes. Like instead of saying hi guys, just say like you are editing TikToks wrong. Here's why. Like that. That instantly create curiosity. And then step 2, just keep it short and dynamic. TikTok now prefers video between 5 to 15 seconds that are fast and to the point. Don't waste time with long intros, just jump straight into the actions and then cut out silent parts and add quick transitions or captions to keep energy high. And then step 3, just use the right hashtag and keywords. Forget generic hashtag like FYP or viral because the algorithm now reads keywords in your captions and on-screen tag, so just match the hashtag with your video. For example, like this. This video is about the hook idea, so just use the hashtag like this. Hashtag hook ideas like this. Just match the hashtag with your content. And another example, if your video is about photo editing, actually just write photo editing tutorial or how to edit photos on phone and many more. This will help TikTok push your video to the right audience. And then step 4, post at peak viewer times. It's about the timing to post. Just go to your TikTok studio, this one, and then tap on analytics, and then tap on viewers, and then just scroll down until you find most active time section, this one, and then just check when your viewers are most active. For example, in my account, them are online between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. like this. So that's your so this is the golden hour to post, and then just post consistently at that time every day. And then step 5, just boost engagement in the first hours. The first 60 minutes after you post are critical. Like just reply to comment fast and then like every comment and then pin one to start a discussions and many more. The more interaction you get earlier, the more TikTok will push your video. And okay, that's it. Just follow this step and you will see your TikTok perform way better. Maybe even go viral. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you.